Assalamualaikum viewers. Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you barefoot patchwork rugs ideas. So I hope you like my videos. So friends, let's start today video, friends. So viewers, first idea is patchwork cushions cover. Don't waste small fabric pieces. Let's make a patchwork cushions. Cut fabric into small squares, join them together, stitch the edges. Your cushion cover is ready. Patchwork bag. Make a colorful bag. Use different fabric pieces, stitch them into one sheet. Cut bag shape and handles. Simple and useful. And viewers, next idea is viewers. Patchwork wall hanging. Decorate your wall with patchwork. Cut fabric in fun shape. Join them nicely. Add a border. Hang it on the wall. Beautiful and creative. Patchwork table runner. Table mat. Make a table mat at home. Use small fabric piece. Stitch them in a pattern. Add a packing cloth. Perfect for your table. Patchwork blanket and weavers. Friends, I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, viewers, for more latest